Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In today's video we have an overview of this new dress. Dresses like this I like to call the sundress. Dress to the floor. This pattern is perfect for this dress. We have two pieces of fabric from an Italian textile factory. The colors are rare and also it's from 2020 collection. I like yellow, but I don't like lilac. There are people for whom the lilac color is very suitable, but this is not about me. Tell me in the comment section if you enjoy wearing lilac. I like the roses and these colors are more for me, in my personal opinion. For a long time I didn't know what to sew from this fabric and in the end I chose this sleeveless dress. And the first question is, why is the sleeveless? Because we initially tried to make a sleeve here and the sleeve ruined the whole look, not pretty in this color. Sleeves made of mesh are suitable here, but with a skirt that to the floor and a belt and drapery and a mesh sleeve it would be too much. This dress has a belt, it's simple, the dress is comfortable, I feel confident. In such a dress I want to look beautiful and to walk correctly, if you know what I mean, like a model. Sometimes we need clothes that make us feel like a celebrity. The most important thing is that this dress can be made in one day. Yes, you've heard correctly. The technology is the simplest. Now I will put this dress on the table and explain everything in detail. And you will know how to make a dress in one day. And if you will need a dress immediately one day, you will have already mastered this tailoring technology. Maybe I'll be wearing this dress for my birthday, or maybe I'll sew myself a new one. Now I have few reasons to go somewhere and a birthday is a great reason for a new dress. I hope you agree. The dress is on the table. How does it work? Bodice with 3 pleats to the chest. Here are 3 folds and here are the shoulder folds. Belt 9 cm wide. There is no belt on the back. The bodice ends where the belt ends and the skirt begins in the circle. Now be very careful. 2 bodice pieces and 2 back pieces. Serger seams. 2 seams are immediately sergered. The 2 fabrics are immediately sewn together. On the back, the upper part of the bodice is sewn in 1 seam, and everything is processed with this seam in the serger. The upper part of the belt is tucked in and the lower part of the belt is connected as usual. Lining, the fabric is sergered. The method is simple, there is no point in spending 3 days on sewing a simple dress. The bottom is processed with a French seam. By the way, Moscow seam is the same as the French seam, but in Russia we call it Moscow seam. I was glad to show you a dress like this. Lining the semi-sun skirt. It seems that the drawing is strange, but when the Italian designers created this drawing, I think there was a special meaning here. I looked at this drawing a million times, but I could not figure out what to do with this fabric. Maybe you can help me with this in the comments section. I will wait for your ideas. But for today, it is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!